This is the Raydium SDK v2 that we're using, and I created a script here to create mint. It wasn't there basically, so I had to create this script for create mint. What it does is it has some of those helper functions for creating, swapping, uh, adding liquidity and pools and all those DEX operations on Raydium. And you can basically set up in this config, whether it's mainnet or the depnet. We import some of the objects we need from SPL token, Solana Web3, JS, and FS, and child process for calling the scripts and commands and all the initializations. And yeah, we set up this decimal to 6 for tokens, and then we also set this flag so that we're able to create both token 2022 and standard SPL tokens. So here we create a mint key pair. The public key will be converted to a token. This is where we create the mint, and this particular mint here from the key pair, that is the public key of this wallet that is generated here, is actually converted to a token mint. So we input the program ID, which is dynamically chosen. It is a standard SPL token or token 2022, which has extensions. So we create that, and we create associated token accounts so that we're able to mint, and we mint that amount here to our wallet. We mint about 1 billion units of the token to our wallet, and we save the result into this JSON file. What's a CPM mint? This is CPM mint. If it is, this is also dynamic. If it is token 2022, we save it in the CPM mint. Else, we just save it in the mint result so that we're able to access it later on. And we wait for. I had to add this because the transactions were failing. After this, the next transaction would fail. So, but after a while, it would work. So I had to add this 10 seconds. What happens next is they create pool, which creates the pools that we're able to trade on the DEX directly. So we have created the mint, we created ATAs, we have minted it to our wallet, but now we need to add the liquidity or create the pool for adding the liquidity. So that's what we're doing here. If it is token 2022, it's going to call create CPM pool. This CPM pool, it actually supports token 2022, while the AMM doesn't, according to what I read from the SDK anyways. So this is the end, and we can basically run manually. Is there for CPM, is there add liquidity? Okay, we just have lock, we have deposit. So there was deposit here. All right, yeah, but this flow is to create the dummy tokens that we use in our front end when we are creating. I'm just going to run this. Okay, so it's minting. That's minted already. It's writing it to the CPM mint because it's token 2022. Now it's creating the pool. Okay. All right, so we just created a new token, and let me find the token address. This is it. I need to add to the stage. So this is an SPL token, and this is the address, decimals 6. So this is correct. Means we can add it to our strict list in the front end. We have already tested already. No. Yeah. Decimals 6. These are test tokens. Need to optimize this. Okay, this one has ended 0 years the series. This one 23 hours left. Let's say this 1000x. One contribute. One. Something needs to be done on this. Some of the data showing is not really correct. Like it's showing 0 raised, but more than 0 was raised. So the front end needs to be fixed. Okay, so here the transaction goes through, but it is not shown in the UI. So we have the transaction here. There is no error. So the transaction actually got through, but didn't display the transaction link for us to view, which is not correct. So we need to fix that also. Let's see for creation if we're able to see our tokens. The tokens that we created. Oh, we have it here. The Ray Tesla. This remains Raydium, basically, because we're using Raydium. I'm just trying to append. Just try to see if we're able to create some 2x. And we want 500 USDC. BTC would dump this trading duration. We can either make it in minutes. It's not really feasible anyways, just hours. So we can do 22 hours. And then the fundraising, this is very key, because you can be in the Telegram chat or in the WhatsApp or Discord channel, and then okay, let's fundraise. I see an opportunity coming into the market, so let's raise real quick, and then they all use the system to contribute, basically. So like I said, we're going to have APIs to integrate with every community, whether Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram. So yeah, so we can choose, let's do for 5 minutes so that we're able to catch the trick. And boom, 1 management fee, and let's create a series of. So this is the information here. The strategy BC will dump and distribute LP to us at least 5% increase, which is what is even happening in the market currently. Okay, let's see. Oh, this transaction got through. It didn't display also the transaction hash, which is something we need to fix. So good catch. We got a few bugs in the widget that we have to fix. All right, so that's how far we've come with the integrations, with the Raydium integrations. We have the tokens and all that in the UI also, and this is basically being saved on our smart contract, or it's basically being saved on our program. So the system, the AI system, the agent will be able to trade all these tokens or manage all these tokens for the users, co-manage all these tokens if you would have it with the users, and they'll make profit together and share in the pool. So once I'm done with it today, I've already set out everything. I just need to complete it, the endpoints, put all the endpoints in one in one place and push it across to the designer.